VAT can be a headache for small businesses, especially when you're focused on growth. But if you're running a small business in Widnes, getting your VAT right doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we're breaking down smart, simple VAT advice to help you stay compliant, avoid penalties, and even improve your cash flow. Let's start with the basics. VAT, or value added tax, is a tax added to most goods and services in the UK. Once your small business turns over more than £85,000 in a 12-month period, you must register for VAT. This applies whether you're based in Widnes, Warrington, or anywhere else in the UK. But here's the thing, waiting until you hit that threshold can sometimes slow your growth. Voluntary VAT registration might be a smart move, especially if you work with other VAT registered businesses or want to appear more established. It allows you to reclaim VAT on business expenses, which can be a real cash flow booster. Now let's talk about choosing the right VAT scheme. Most small businesses in Widnes use the standard VAT accounting scheme, but depending on your turnover and cash flow, there are other options that could work better. The flat rate scheme, for example, simplifies your VAT returns and lets you pay a fixed percentage of your turnover, keeping calculations easy. But be careful. The scheme may not always save you money. If you buy a lot of goods and services with VAT, the standard scheme might let you reclaim more. Another option is the cash accounting scheme. Under this, you only pay VAT when you receive payment from customers, not when you issue an invoice. This can protect your cash flow, especially if you're dealing with late paying clients. Let's not forget VAT return deadlines. You'll need to file quarterly VAT returns with HMRC and pay any VAT due. Missing deadlines can lead to penalties and interest, so set calendar reminders or use accounting software that automates alerts. And speaking of software making tax, digital is now mandatory for all VAT registered businesses. That means digital record keeping and filing returns through compatible software is no longer optional. If you're still using spreadsheets or manual logs, now's the time to upgrade. There are great cloud-based accounting tools that work brilliantly for small businesses in Widnes. Look for software that integrates with your bank, simplifies VAT calculations, and keeps you HMRC compliant. Here's a quick tip. Set aside the VAT portion of each sale into a separate bank account. This makes it easier to pay your VAT bill without scrambling for cash at the end of the quarter. If you're unsure about your VAT obligations or the best scheme for your business, speaking to a local accountant can make all the difference. A professional who understands small business accounting, especially in Widnes, can save you time, stress, and money. To wrap up, staying VAT compliant doesn't have to be a chore. With the right scheme, software, and advice, you can manage your VAT efficiently and keep your business moving forward. If you found this useful, make sure to explore more practical accounting tips designed specifically for small business owners like you.